If you are watching our video for the first time, click the subscribe button for more interesting videos and click the bell icon to receive instant notification whenever we upload a new video. Hi, in this video we are going to see a simple stitch with Kundan. I have pasted the Kundan with fabric glue. I am going to stitch this pearl chain around the Kundan. First see the shape and cut the Kundan. So I'll cut the chain. If you want, you can first stick it with the fabric glue and stitch on top of the pearl chain. Using cotton thread I am going to stitch now. If you are going to stick and stitch, after sticking you have to wait for a few minutes, then you have to start stitching. Just give a chain in between each pearl chain, and in the side one chain, again in between the pearl chain, in the side again in between. So whatever the shape you are going to stitch, you have to follow this method for stitching. So while ending, leave one pearl in the edge to make it sharp corner and make a knot. So you can see one extra kundan standing on a top. After that I am going to stitch zadi around the kundan. These stitches will help the beginners to learn easily. I am breaking the zadi and giving the chain. Here I didn't show elaborately, I have explained this in my online class in detail. Make a knot in the end. So there is small gap, so with that size cut the zadi and stitch there. Now with the silk thread I am going to give a simple chain stitch like an outline. Make a knot in the end. Now I am going to give a Salli stitch. This is called Salli. Short chain, long chain. Again in the side 3 small chains. Again long, short, come back to the same place, and in the side 3 small chains. This stitch also I have explained in detail in my online class. Here I am showing just a demo. Make a knot and again start from the first. So start with the side chain because already the middle standing chain is there. So according to the shape you have to start. In the end. So the design is completed. Thank you. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Thank you. Have a good day.